as you can see, new parts. And not only that, I got a new sponsor. I'm super excited to announce GameOver Project is now also teamed up with Whitfield. I am more than appreciative for Jason and Seth. Thank you guys. Without them, I don't know if this would have happened because they're hooking me up, man. They're hooking me up on parts, and thank you guys once again. So, that being said, let's see what the hell is in these boxes. Drag Cartel. Can't forget Whitfield. Awesomeness. And look at this beauty. Oh yes. What you guys think? That billet transfer case should help us go sevens, right? Oh man, that thing's beautiful. Guys over at Drag Cartel, beautiful work. Super awesome. Now, let's see what's in this bad boy. Hope you guys can see, because this one is going to be pretty amazing. Definitely got some weight to it. I'm excited because it's going to push my build along, man. Alright. I don't know if you guys can already tell. It is a billet transmission case. I'm trying to get it open fast enough so you guys can see. Man. Taped it well, packaged it well. Very well. Man. Oh man, that's nice. All right, look at that, guys. Look at that bad boy. I really can't wait to go racing.